Okay, bee sting.
Friday marked the beginning of the end of a long year for Philadelphia frontline medical workers like TARIK KAHN.
My nursing colleagues are exhausted. They're burnt out. They've been heroic. And, you know, I wish we had this sooner, you know, really, but I'm just so grateful that we have it now. I'm so grateful that I was able to get it as a healthcare provider. And I hope more people will get this vaccine.
KAHN is one of the first Philadelphians to get the COVID-19 vaccine. Back in March, he was among the first to give us an inside look at how the pandemic changed everything. At the time, he and his colleagues couldn't get enough personal protective equipment.
Here we go.
They still staff drive-through testing clinics, wearing the same face shields and N95 masks for weeks.
It's been quite a long journey, I think. And just so grateful right now, although it is very bittersweet, I would say.
It's bittersweet for KAHN's colleagues, too. When the first vaccine was authorized, he introduced us to some who were hesitant to take it, others who wanted to set an example.
It also was an opportunity for me as a Black professional to show my patients, my community, my students, as well as my family, how important this is, you know, even my church family, how important it is that we take this vaccine.
This is the fastest a vaccine has ever been created. The speed scared some, even in the medical field. But now that vaccine medical literature is public, confirming no corners were cut, confidence is growing.
I was not hesitant at all. I just viewed the vaccine as another resource in us providing care to our patients and protecting ourselves, our families, and our staff.
Just 5 months ago, TARIK KAHN celebrated finally getting a shipment of testing kits. He's watched some of his patients get sick, some die, and others recover. He's one of thousands of Philadelphia nurses and doctors who've put their own lives on the line during this pandemic.
It's finally here. It's finally here.
In a month, and with one more shot, they won't have to anymore.
This vaccine, though, is a game changer. I'm thinking of, you know, my neighbors that their kids can't go to school, that have to be homeschooled. I'm thinking about my patients that can't go to work, that have to stay home. You know, I'm thinking about my parents and my nephews and being able to hug them again. This vaccine is going to make that possible.
In Philadelphia, I'm Mitch Blacher, NBC10 News.